In this part, we're adding two very important gameplay elements: a game timer that tracks how long the player survives, and a kill counter that displays how many enemies the player has defeated. These are simple features, but they make the game feel much more complete, and they help us build wave systems and difficulty scaling later. Let's start by creating the UI. Inside HUD Canvas, right-click UI Text. Rename Timer Text, default value 0. To keep our project scalable and clean, we're going to create a game manager that tracks all global gameplay values, like the timer and the total number of kills. This avoids putting logic in random scripts and prepares our system for waves, difficulty scaling, and boss fights later. Instead of updating the UI manually, we'll make two small UI scripts that automatically refresh themselves using the Game Manager values. This keeps the UI clean, lightweight, and independent from gameplay code. Now, we need to notify the Game Manager every time an enemy dies. So inside Enemy Health, we'll call Register Kill when the enemy is destroyed. Let's test everything. I'll press play. The timer starts automatically from 0. Every time I kill an enemy, the kill counter increases. Everything updates instantly and cleanly. This now opens the door for wave systems, boss timers, and difficulty scaling in future episodes.